In this week's Health in a Handbasket, Beth Smythe from the American Diabetes Association joins us again to talk about eating right and doing it affordably. We got some delicious-looking chicken tostadas here.
But tips to make sure you can do this on a budget.
Okay.
Absolutely. I have 5 tips for our viewers today. The first one is you want to plan your menu ahead and make a list. The last thing you want to do is go to a grocery store without a list, and don't go hungry either, because you're going to make impulse buys. And that can, make your bill start to go up. So we're going to really make a list and plan our menus for the week. The second tip is use your Sunday flyers. Did you know there's $50 to $75 of coupons in your Sunday flyers, or you can print them from a website? That can save you 10 to 15% on your grocery bill overall. The other thing that you want to do is tap into wherever you shop. They always have a Shoppers Club card, and that also is going to save you money, and it's also going to help you when they sometimes send you coupons for the most items that you buy in a week. So that's also going to add some more coupons on there.
They know what your habits are.
They do. They know your habits, which is great, right? Buy in bulk and buy on sale, especially if the capacity in your freezer and your storage areas, because again, you're going to save money. You can break things down into smaller packages. You can put them in a freezer or in a storage area, and that always will save money. Bulk is always less. Big tip. Look at the unit price, the pound, the pint, the ounces. A lot of times, you think something's a good deal, you look at the unit price, and it's a lot more expensive.
That was a very big deal when they went to unit pricing, because it really was the way to compare apples to apples. You could say, okay, this dog food is this much, this dog food is this much, but look at the unit price, and this one might be a better deal.
Absolutely. I was just yesterday in the store and looking at pastas, and so one looked a little bit less, but when I looked at the price per pound, I was actually getting less than a pound in the one that was less expensive. So cost for cost, the per pound was cheaper.
Yeah.
So big deal.
Now the recipes for the chicken tostadas are going to be on the web, but tell us what you did here.
So this is a really easy recipe. It's on diabetes.org. This is a tostada. We bought a rotisserie chicken. I shredded it up, and all we put in here was some pinto beans, some salsa, mix that around, put that on top of the tostada with some reduced fat shredded cheddar cheese, avocado, and if you'd like to put a little bit of lettuce on top of yours as well.
Okay.
So I'm going to do that for you.
Thank you.
And it seems like it's pretty easy and quick.
Easy and healthy, and it took less than 10 minutes to prepare this whole thing.
So the rotisserie chicken, that's an okay thing to buy.
For Kelsey as well?
I did.
You did?
Oh, well, you know what? Okay, Don. You can have them both today. There's another one over here, Kels. You can take that.
No, I'll share.
So the rotisserie chicken does save time. Is it a little more expensive? It is, but you can get a rotisserie chicken for between $6 and $7 at the grocery store, and it really does stretch, your food budget.
Yeah.
So
I love those.
How many people would that feed when you're doing something like this?
So if the whole rotisserie chicken, you probably could get about 10 to 12 servings of this particular recipe, and this recipe was $6.25 per person.
Wow.
So that's a good savings.
Very good deal.
Better than fast food.
All right, you ready to try?
I'm actually afraid to eat this on live TV.
Because it's messy?
It's going to be so messy.
I'm going to do it anyway. I'm not afraid. We only have 15 seconds left.
Yeah.
Beth, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great advice. Doing it on a budget. Chicken tostadas, the recipe on 13wham.com. We have weather, traffic, local headlines coming up.